Hey guys, welcome to Ueephone video. In this video, the iPhone 10 blocks the front camera when making a call, and the phone will not automatically lock the screen. This situation is generally caused by problems with Floodlight component of the mobile phone, and once there is problems with this component, the Face ID will not be arrivable. We disassemble the phone to see the cause of the problem. Remove the two tail plug fixing screws. Use the pick to open the screen gap after hitting the screen. After uncovering the screen, unscrew the mainboard cable fixing cover screws and remove the fixing cover. Then disconnect the battery cable, screen cable and camera cable. After removing these screens, we saw a break in the cable, which seems to be a problem. We then disassemble the entire camera module. It can be seen that the Floodlight component is just on this cable, and the broken cable makes the Floodlight functions unavailable. Just replace a new cable to solve the problem. Hit the components on the cable and remove them. Replace the removed components and install them on the new cable. After all the components are installed, we install it back on the screen. After tightening the screws, apply new screen glue to your phone. Install the screen. Fasten the screen cable and the battery cable. Install the mainboard cable cover and tighten the cover screws. After pressing the screen well, unscrew the two screens at the end. After turning on the phone, we can see that the screen is normally off when making calls. Let's see if Face ID can be used. There is no problems with seeing the Face ID. So that's the end of this iPhone 10 repair.